Thanks for joining us at Gold Country SRA. We've got the Penelope Pitlane Historic cars on track at Twin Falls Raceway. Tight grouping heading through these first corners. Looks like we got two Scarabs out front, Paul's big Mercedes, Alan's Lotus 16, and Mike is running the smaller Mercedes. Now, I couldn't get all the cars on track overlaid at the same time, so we're going to see Mario's Ferrari Dino come in. We're going to see an Auto Union. We're going to see an old Bugatti. But for now, let's watch these cars. Obviously, it's not a digital track, it's analog, but I got creative so we could watch them all at the same time. Now, we got these cars as kits from Pendle Slot Racing, and I could not recommend them highly enough. As you can see, they're smooth. They're not, overly fast, but that's okay. You don't need your head spinning around every time you race slot cars. It's quite fun to see these cars battle side by side, and it comes down to who's the most consistent. I think between first and last place, there are only about 4 laps separating that. So you need to make sure you have it dialed in. You're hitting your braking zones. You don't want to go too slow. You go too fast, you're going to deslot. So it's quite a bit of a challenge, even though these cars aren't super fast. Now, that corner right in front of the camera is the trickiest one of the track, especially with these cars. You don't want to overcook it, but quite often that's what happens, and we're probably going to see a few cars come off in that spot. Might as well take this chance. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do throw a like on the video. It helps us out. We've got a big impact coming. Red lane. Mike drifted. John didn't see him. And big impact. But we're going to take this chance to overlay a new video. Same timing, of course. I didn't put the timing screen up because that would have been confusing. But we're going to see Mario's Ferrari Dino in the red lane. An Auto Union just came around that corner. Now, the Auto Union has to be the most unique of all the cars in these classes. The Lotus 16 is by far the smallest. Mario overcooked it in the corner. I flipped my car over. And, these cars are a lot of fun. As I said, side-by-side racing, in my mind, is the best kind you can have, especially slot car racing. You want to see cars battle. You want to try to pressure another driver into a mistake or something. It's a lot of fun, right? For the love of it. That's why we do it. Not for competition or anything. We just want to have fun. But anyways, we're coming to an end. Thank you for joining us. Please tune in, keep watching, and we're racing this weekend.